Regarding Rh factor, when the blood of such an individual Rh positive is transfused into persons lacking it, that is Rh negative, the blood of the recipient develops an antibody for Rh substance within about 2 weeks of transfusion. Now, if a second transfusion be given to such Rh negative person, the antibody which was already produced by the first transfusion causes a reaction with the transfused blood, which may even lead to death. So let's talk about Rh factor in pregnancy. An Rh negative woman may become sensitive if she carries an Rh positive child in her uterus when the husband is Rh positive. The first Rh positive child, here it is during pregnancy, the Rh negative mother with Rh positive baby. So the first Rh positive child will be normal. But if it sensitizes the mother, means the antibodies of Rh positive father has been developed in the mother's blood at the time of delivery, because at the time of delivery Rh positive baby's blood cell enters the mother's bloodstream. Now you see at the second pregnancy, now at the second in the first pregnancy and delivery the child is normal, but here the antibodies have been developed now in the mother's bloodstream. These Rh antibodies attack the Rh positive baby's blood cells, causing the Rh disease. So sometimes it may lead to the death of fetus and abortion. So we can see here the Rh antibodies have been developed because of the child carrying the Rh positive. The child got the Rh positive because of the father. So at the time of delivery, they get mixed up the bloodstream of the baby's Rh positive, and antibodies starts getting developed in their bloodstream. So first delivery, the child will be normal. But in the second pregnancy, what happens? The antibodies will attack the antigens of the Rh positive which has been developed in the fetus. So that is we call the erythroblastosis. Erythroblastosis is the abnormal presence, it is also called hemolytic disease of the newborn type of anemia, in which the red blood cells, erythrocytes, red blood cells scientific name as you all know, that is erythrocytes, right? So these erythrocytes of a fetus are destroyed in a maternal immune reaction resulting from a blood group incompatibility between the fetus and its mother. So most problems in future pregnancy with another Rh positive baby occur. During the pregnancy, the mother's antibodies cross the placenta to fight the Rh positive cells in the baby's body. As the antibodies destroy the cells, the baby gets sick, and this is called erythroblastosis during pregnancy. It can be prevented under medical condition, or it can be prevented by what we saw before delivery. We can just make the mother deliver before the delivery time, that is premature birth. Premature delivery has to be done 6 months so that placenta will not break. So it should not burst, otherwise the blood of the positive antigen of the child will get mixed up with the mother's antibodies of Rh positive which was sensitized in the first delivery. So this should not be mixed up. So that's why premature delivery has to be done to prevent this, or under medical conditions with the help of medicines.